wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 9 best glass cutters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. You'd better know what you're doing before you buy the JPD Heavy Duty Circular, because it doesn't come with the best instructions. But at around 10 inches in length and weighing approximately 9 ounces, it's small and light enough to transport in your tool pouch. It offers a 134-degree wheel angle and is a mainly metal construction, but it shows metric measurements only. At number 8, if you want to make perfectly round pieces, the Glastar Strip and Circle deserves a place in your tool collection. It can also help you create all sorts of other precise shapes. Just be warned though, you will need to make your own wooden base for it. It's got a 25-inch maximum diameter for circles and a 1-foot maximum for straight lines. However, it's not the most portable option. Coming in at number 7 on our list. Manufactured in the United States, the Logan 704-1 Elite is designed for use with mat systems and to make straight breaks. Its ribbed handle can be clenched with a fist, offering a better hold than pencil grip options. It includes 1 ounce of lubricant and is best for materials of under 1/10 of an inch, but its steel wheel is inferior to carbide. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for glass cutters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, if the idea of creating art out of things other people have discarded appeals to you, then you'll love Ephrem's Bottle Cutter Kit. It allows you to score and snap any round glass bottle or jar, even thick champagne bottles. It comes with 100 grit sandpaper and an adjustable backstop. However, it does require practice to master. Moving up our list to number 5. If you do a lot of work with bottles, the Verdugo gift company cbcusblk is worth considering. Its stability makes intricate scoring easy, and it even works well on square items. If your piece is very widely in size, making adjustments on this option is simple. It displays both imperial and metric measurements, and no setup is required, but it is expensive relative to other options. At number 4, in addition to being durable, the carbide steel wheel on the Toyo pistol grip is replaceable, so it can be switched out after it eventually wears down. It comes in 4 fluorescent colors, which are yellow, green, blue, and pink. This is a self-oiling design and a lightweight acrylic construction. However, the color is randomly selected. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you want a professional-grade cut at a hobbyist price, the CRL Toyo Original is an option worth considering. Its slight design makes it easy to keep on hand while crafting, and its automatic oil dispensing system keeps its wheel lubricated. This is a brass construction with a 140-degree wheel hone angle and a pencil grip style of handle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for glass cutters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the vgce Custom Grip Super has an adjustable saddle that allows users to improve comfort and reduce hand fatigue by choosing one of 4 grip positions. It uses a spring-controlled system that keeps its wheel oiled during operation. It comes in 6 colors with a knurled brass tip for a good grip and a patented wheel design. And coming in at number 1 on our list. While manual options remain the dominant go-to in this category, favored for being quicker and more convenient, complex cuts and intricate angles are best tackled with a specialized electric saw, such as the Rainbow Art Glass Gemini Taurus 3. It features a flip-up face shield, a 110-volt 5th of a horsepower motor, and a 3-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for glass cutters, or simply click beneath this video.